Let us today begin with accountancy, 11th class, the first chapter. Let us know what the accountancy means. Accountancy, accounting. In a layman, you must have learned that mummy is giving you 100 bucks and you go for your party and come back. And when you spend some money and return something, you keep that track in your mind that this much mama has given, this much I have spent, this is what I am supposed to return to mama. This is what a rough accounting you have kept in your mind. Same is the logic, but on a very precise manner, in a very systematic manner. So let us try to understand what do you mean by accounting. So here accounting means it is an art and science. It is art because every chartered accountant has a capacity to display the figures in such a manner that it can save your taxes, it can help you in getting your figure the way you want, and it will support you in presenting your papers, figures in a proper manner as per the court of law requirement, as per the legal requirement, at the same time to help the entrepreneur also in getting the benefits by recording things in such a manner that your tax liability may decrease. So person to person it vary, and that's why it is to be said it is an art. It is also a science. It is based on rules and principles. You have to follow the rules. You have to follow the principles which are mentioned. There are the assumptions and there are the conventions which are governing and guiding and accounting. The standards are there which you have to follow. So it is an art and science. Science of what? It's of recording. You are dealing with figures. Human limitation. We keep on forgetting things so fast. So it has to be recorded. It must be on paper. It must be written, so that after so many years also you have the data. So of recording. Recording you are going to do, but how? You may record in a rough book, but is that rough book serve your purpose? We make classification, no? That English book is there, maths book is there, account book is there, statistics book is there. So recording to be done by classifying into the various books which you are in need. It may be in terms of various subsidiary books we will be learning later on. Then you have to summarize. All books are there, but you need to conclude something. What is the final balance of cash account? What is the total purchase I have done during the year? What is my credit sales? What is my total sales? Cash plus credit makes the total sales. So you may be in need of so many answers, and that can be possible with the help of summarizing by making ledger and getting the final figures. How you are going to do all this? In a significant manner, in a specific manner you have to do. You cannot do the way you feel like. You have to follow the rules. You have to follow the proper proforma, proper procedure. All this you are doing for the money transaction, monetary transaction, only of financial character. Any personal transaction done by the owner for his personal benefit, we are not going to record in books of account. Clear? Your neighbor shop, the neighbor shop is doing some transaction. We are not going to record that transaction. We have concern with only the monetary transaction of financial character. Only those events concern cash is coming, cash is going, value of asset is increased or liability value decreased. Some financial change has to be took place. Only those transactions to be recorded. After recording, after summarizing, you are getting the balance. Now you must know the result. So final account to be prepared to get the result. So final account procedure is there. You prepare trading account, you prepare your balance sheet, you prepare your profit and loss account, and you are getting some ultimate final result. When you are getting the result, you need to interpret your result. Every figure tells you something, some message is there behind every figure. Your 10th standard result has come. You go through the result. Each figure tells you something. In language, I have received this much mark. In maths, this much. Science, this much. Why more in one subject? Why less in one subject? I am the same person still. Why such a discrimination? Because the attitude, your interest, your abilities going to differ. So every figure tells you something. So those hidden messages behind the figures has to be understood. So that is what interpretation. Why to understood and interpret? Because next year when you start your business, those things you take care. You can improve day by day. Okay, every experience makes us some learning. We learn something. Gradually we become mature, and with that our business has to be become strong. So in this manner, students, you can understand that accounting, what the accounting, its meaning, what each word has its own expression. That what we have covered in the meaning form of accounting. Everything you handle, that is money. Money is in center. Accounting we keep only of money. We are not keeping an account of love. We are not keeping an account of any invisible things. We keep account only of money. You go to the bank, you have your bank account. It's referred to the money only. So every aspects of monetary nature in the business are to be recorded. Now let us see the characteristics. Which character you will find from this meaning, this definition? Very first, economic transaction, financial nature. Accounting is to be done of only economic transaction. We have learned in B also, economic and non-economic activity. We concentrate only on the economic transaction. Has a financial nature. The transaction must has effect on your financial position. That equation, okay, C plus L is equal to A. Your accounting equation going to be affected because of that transaction. Those transactions are recorded in accounting. Money as a medium of exchange. Accounting activity, as I already said, it has to be in the monetary terms, and every transaction to be converted into monetary terms. If you write account of India, you express in rupees. When the same accounting work done at US, you express in dollars. So every monetary to exchange that particular country has, accordingly accounts to be written. You have to do classification of transaction, economic, non-economic, cash transaction, credit transaction. Okay, after that you are going to record. You have to analyze the transaction. Where to record this transaction? Okay, in cash book or in purchase book or in sales book or in purchase return book or in bills book. Analysis to be done, results to be derived, and then the interpretation has to be done. So that you can make your future better and better by learning some lesson from the mistakes you have made. You are going to get, that is the quantitative information with the help of accounting. You are going to take economic decision. Why we do accounting? Because we have to improve. We have to take firm decision. We have to change something. So for that you need the financial analysis and the interpretation which help you in taking decision. The historical information is based on your past event. Accounting itself is a historical information. We write accounting of past. We never write for future. On the 31st of March of 2021, we prepare the final account for the year 2021. Means already past. Okay, we are not writing today the account and final account we are preparing for the 31st March 22. That's not possible. Accounting always refers to historical information, means the thing which is already past. that thing to be recorded. Now we can conclude the same thing in the form of an accounting cycle or a process. What do you mean by accounting process? How you have to proceed? If you see the index of your textbook, you can get the idea how sequence by one after other the chapters are flowing and the accounting process, accounting activity we are doing. The very first step is you have to record. Recording has to be done. All owners are not an accountant. They write in the rough book and they give the data to the accountant when he come to write the accounts. So record, it may be in a rough book, it may be in a rough form. Later on, the knowledged person of an accountancy going to write in proper manner. So recording has to be done. You have to classify. After means to record, you need to have an understanding about classification, which gives you all about your subsidiary book, to be recorded in the cash book or to be recorded in the purchase book or to be recorded in the sales book. There are so many subsidiary books. Where to record this transaction will be appeared in which book, that what classification to be done. You have to do the analysis. Analysis means to get the conclusion in the form of ledger posting and then prepare the trial balance. If your trial balance total tally, arithmetically you can ensure that what work you have done up till now is correct. So there are the method by which you have to proceed gradually. After preparing trial balance, you are going to find that conclusion. What is the result of my this year activity? So that conclusion can be derived by preparing final account. In final account, we are going to see how trading account to be done, profit and loss to be done, balance sheet to be done. So this manner conclusion, and with result now do the interpretation. So interpretation can give you the guideline, can recommend you your show your mistakes and can suggest you now what next to be done to improve upon. COVID second phase we have experienced, we have learned lot. So when that third phase may come, we hope that it never come, but still it may come, then how to fight with that, learning has to be done. So interpretation is to be done of each and every data, each and every figure what you have got. Prepare the report. The last step is you have to prepare the report. What is your experience? What is your feedback? What is your learning? What is your recommendation? What is your suggestion? What to do next? That always has to be written in the report. So in this manner, three aspects today we have understood. Number one, what that accounting means. Number two, the characteristics of accounting. And number three, the process of accounting. All these things are there in your chapter 1 and the basic information of accounting. If any doubt is there, you write in the comment section. You like the video as well as you subscribe to get the updates. So like this, we begin and we continue with each and every aspects of accounting in a very detailed and in a very proper manner. Thank you.